January has prepared not the most pleasant surprise for weather-dependent citizens, another magnetic storm, which is expected the other day. The next event will take place at the beginning of February, reports the Laboratory of X-ray Astronomy of the Sun. The next meteorological strike is expected on January 17 and will last until the 20th. Then the negative impact from space will follow on February 1 to 2. As a rule, the elderly and weather-dependent residents experience health problems. They show chronic ailments or psychological disorders. Healthy people face maximum headaches, general weakness and insomnia. Doctors advise on the days of magnetic storms to monitor their condition and always have the necessary medicines with them. It is necessary to avoid stressful situations, give up heavy physical training, alcohol and smoking. Better to get more rest. Walking in the fresh air has a beneficial effect on health.